Best stunt scooter for 10-year-old. The 10-year-old demographic is an ideal target for the purchase of a stunt scooter, as it is at this age that individuals are beginning to gain mastery of their motor skills and desire to engage in more adventurous physical activities. What's up, guys? In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best stunt scooters for 10-year-old in the market. Which are the best for you? Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular user use. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Arcade Pro Stunt Scooter for Kids 10 Years. The Arcade Plus Stunt Scooter is an upgrade from the Arcade Pro Scooter, and it's built for intermediate and pro riders, kids aged 7 and up. It's a lightweight 8.5-pound scooter equipped with 23 high T-bars, built for intermediate and pro riders, but it can take up to 220 pounds. The scooter has a 30-day money-back guarantee and a US-based customer service department. The graphics are cool, and this scooter has a sturdy right and sharp brake. We like the adjustable and sturdy T-bar, but we wish it had more support between it and the seat. We also wish it came with a water bottle holder. For kids who are looking to take their scootering to the next level, this is a great choice. Number 2. Arcade Rogue BMX Pro Scooter. It's hard to go wrong when kids are a reliable testing ground. My daughter tested the arcade scooters out at a friend's house. After showing no interest in the other scooters, she jumped on the Rogue and skated around. She even did a few tricks, which was a first for her. She's been riding the scooter ever since and even does dips on it when she's riding around on her own. My son, the bigger of the two, also likes the scooter. He prefers it over our other scooters because the wheels spin easier, which makes it easier for him to perform stunts. Best of all, it's super easy for the kids to assemble. The only drawback is that the wheels don't run true. We ordered new wheels, and it came right back with the same problem. We've since contacted customer service, and they say they're looking into it. Currently, the wheels are still spinning, but they're slightly off-center. Number 3. Sullivan Antic Pro Scooter Premium Quality. The Sullivan Antic Pro Scooter is an impressive scooter for the price. It rides smoothly and is surprisingly comfortable. It's light, at 7 pounds, 3.6 kilograms, and its deck is sealed to protect from corrosion. The Antic can be ridden at super fast speeds, making it useful for tricks including grinds and slides. The scooter also has a wide 110mm wheel, perfect for drifting and bunny hops. While it may have been designed with kids in mind, this scooter also works well for more advanced riders. The brake works well and has a large surface area for easy stopping. Our only complaint is that some aspects of the scooter, like the brake, are finished in plastic, which can get scratched. Despite this, the Sullivan Antic Pro is a great choice for a beginner rider and those looking for a reliable and affordable ride. Number 4. Vocal K1 Pro Stunt Scooter. It's a simple principle. Something done well is worth doing again. The Vocal K1 Pro Stunt Scooter is well made and well designed, and it offers solid performance for the kid or adult who wants to take his or her scooting seriously. The K1 comes in 3 colors, so you can choose one that your child or teen will like. The deck is 8.8 pounds, making it a little heavier than some models we tested, but it's made of heavy-duty aluminum with laser-etched graphics, so it's built to last. It rides smoothly, with minimal vibration and noise, and it's light enough for older or stronger riders. The wheels roll smoothly and quietly, and the 180mm urethane wheels have excellent grip. The bars have molded grips, and the underside of the bars have extra padding for a firm grip. Number 5. Fusian Z250 SE Pro Scooters. The Fusian Z250 SE Pro Stunt Scooter isn't just eye-catching. It is an excellent scooter with great balance, handling, and top speeds. The Fusian Z250 SE Pro Scooter is a superior, quality-made scooter that is built to last. The scooter is extremely smooth and very quiet. If you're looking for a trick scooter, the Fusian Z250 SE Pro Scooter is an excellent choice. The scooter has solid wheels, an incredible design, and an awesome paint job. The scooter also is very easy to assemble, which is very important when you're trying to do tricks. The Z250 Pro Scooter looks cool and stylish and is a great choice for any trick scooter enthusiast. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier.